I'm Tim Carter from AskTheBuilder.com, and I want to show you how to use just 3 gallons of water to unclog a toilet. You don't need one of those plungers. Watch this. You can use a 3.5 gallon or a standard 5 gallon bucket if you want. I like to put 3 gallons of water in it. Notice that the toilet, I put some blue food coloring in to simulate a clogged toilet. The trick is to just pour the water into the toilet as fast as possible, trying to keep the stream of water centered in the center of the bowl. You can see that was a really simple thing to do. You have to use some common sense. When the toilet is clogged, the water that you pour in is going to start to possibly come up to the top of the bowl. As soon as that happens, stop pouring the water. You might be surprised. You'll get the clog out the first time. The key is to pour the water in as fast as possible because that creates the greatest amount of force. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.